So it's up to
Just heading down that way there. Just to the, up the right.
Ah, ito pa, 12:15. Dito tayo. Kaya nga eh. Say hi dito. Hi.
Hi.
Galing ng orasan nila oh.
You're the first one.
Eh, wow. Saan tayo pupunta muna, Kevin?
Entry na.
Oh, sige, entry kasi. Kesa!
Ride ng rail.
40 na. Pero pwede kang
Ah, ano to eh? Baka dun sa likod. Ayun, toilets.
Alrighty guys, welcome left side, right side, either at the front. No need to rush.
Kesa! I don't know there.
Hindi pwede, hindi pwede. Diyan ka lang.
Doors busy, please stay clear.
My hand. There you are. There you are. Look, there you are. Don't push your
Alright, good afternoon, welcome on board the Skyway. My name's Anna. I'm referred to by Gen Z people as a short king, which basically means I am lacking vertical height, but I'll make up for it in good chat. It's usually used in a dating context. This is pretty similar to my dating life. I'll talk at you for 3.5 minutes, and you'll ignore me for 3.5 minutes. Anyways, you might listen, who knows. Have a look down, glass floor is clear in the center of the cabin there. Looks like a few of you enjoyed that view, that's okay. For those who didn't, that's okay. The best view is actually if you look above your head, look straight up. It's yourselves, there you go. Look at that, how good's that view, even better.
so scared.
Now I'll talk about some of the gorgeous sights that you can see today. Absolutely phenomenal day up here on Easter Sunday. I'll start on the left-hand side of the cabin where you can see those people at the lookout. Just underneath them, there's actually light boxes of LED lights, and they light up these areas after dark. Now that includes Orphan Rock, the Three Sisters, and the waterfall. So if you are here after dark, you're more than welcome to do a free, yes, have strap free nightlit walk along the tops of those escarpments. Now don't get that confused with our nocturnal event here at Scenic World. That is a paid experience. It's not happening over the Easter long weekend because we operate longer hours for the day visitors. Now the waterfall, front left-hand corner. That waterfall there is Katoomba Falls. It's one of the highest waterfalls up here, naturally spring-fed, which is basically means it's never been recorded dry. So it always has water flowing over it, even in times of drought. Now if you're on the right-hand side of the cabin, you can see that blue haze a little bit when you look off into the distance. Now that blue haze gives us the name of the Blue Mountains, and it's produced by our friendly community of Smurfs, and they produce that haze. 8 a.m. I'm just joking. Yes, I am here. Yeah, I know I'm short, okay? I'm getting there. I'm joking, it's not Smurfs. It's actually created by trees. These trees are eucalyptus trees. Now these eucalyptus trees, they produce produce the oil called eucalyptus oil. That oil gets evaporated up into the air. When light shines through that oil, it gets refracted into the blue spectrum, creating the blue haze, hence the name the Blue Mountains. Now, as we approach the east side station, on the left-hand side, you'll see there's a set of stairs. A lot of people forget this, but you have these things called legs. You can walk down the stairs. If you turn left at the bottom, you'll get to the lookout. You can see on your right-hand side there. It'll take you 20 seconds to get there. It's not far. If you take 20 minutes, you end up at Echo Point. Now, if you head down the stairs, turn right at the bottom, you'll get to Katoomba Cascades.
Balik mo doon tapos.
5 minutes there, 5 minutes back. I'm back and forth every 10 minutes until 5:40. After that, what day is it? Sunday, I'll be in the pub. Enjoy the rest of your day. Everyone must exit. See you later.
It's amazing.
Anong klaseng naglagay itong mga ano?
It's amazing.
Cable car ata
If
rin
we go
yun.
that side, we can go directly under that tree system.
Wala po ka muna doon nito. You want to sit down? Ayaw mo.
Oh, that's not swimming, ha? That's
Kita
not
niya kasi
swimming.
mapapay.
Yeah, that's only the water.
Halika dito. Wait. Nagudulas ka. Ito na lang. Dito kami dito.
Aray!
Ayun, tingin mo na.
Tayo nga muna dapat eh. Ah, look at me here!
Parang artista.
Tayo na lahat. Tayo nga pa.
Wait, anong tara na?
Sit down ka ate.
Tingin mo. Baba mo muna yung kasya. Ganyan. Yan. Agaw, tingin ka na doon.
Isa pa yung video. Video? 1,
Ayun o.
Ito yung water.
2, 3, go!
Ayaw.
Ay, hindi. Ito natatanggalin tayo.
Oo.
Maliligo yan, Kevin. Sarap to, no?
Diyan ka lang. Mababasa ka dyan, mababasa. Kesa. Huwag ka maglaran. Ito.
Oh, sige, sige. Sige.
Kapicture kita.
Dito.
Wait, have to wait daddy. Picturean kita doon, no?
Sige.
Ayun na yun na, yun ulo ko.
Sa likod tayo. Doon pala kaya yun dito. Sakto.
Ganda yung mga 300 kilometer per hour. Sobrang bilis.
Gitna mo si Liro ah.
Gitna talaga silang dalawa ni Kesha.
Gusto mo sa gilid? Wala tayo kumakan.
Ayan o. Hawak ka pa.
Kasi naamo ka muna yan. Ganyan mo lang mali. Ayun na.
Ayan o, hawak ka.
Hawak ka kasi ha.
Hindi naman natin ganun kabilis eh.
Mabilis.
Hindi, tignan mo. Hindi lang. Para kami.
Oh my God! Kasama ka. Hindi mo lang.
Bitutin mo!
Bakit? Hindi ko mapapi. Wala na. Wala na. Wala na. Kitawan mo na. Wee! Ayan na, Kecha. Ayan na, Kecha.
Ba't ka takot? Lagi ka naman takot eh. Mas takot ka pa kasi sa'yo. Yay!
Ayan na.
Meron pa?
Hi everyone, so welcome down into the Jamison Valley. When we come to a stop, doors going to open up on your left, you're going to head up the stairs, across, and the bridge making your way towards...
Ay, ang haba. Ang haba ng pila.
Oh
My gosh.
have to wait dito.
Oh my gosh.
Hanggang mayo.
Sit down. Kasi ikaw naman magawa. Pag nag-laid back na. Awa ka mo maigi si Lino.
Wag, kalma! Magkikage tayo!
Sure ka ha? Kalma ka dyan ha?
Sa'yo ata dati.
Alin?
Sa'yo.
Lay back, i-up mo container. Hindi, babaliktad, baliktad. Ba?
Wala na, tatlo lang.
Taas mo. Taas.
Original to. Ito.
Yan, okay na yan.
Uy, pinababa ko.
Okay na yan.
May hawakan na nga eh.
Picture, picture. Yun, look.
Picture.
Those doors, so make sure you're inside of the train.
Picture ka siya.
Doors are now closing.
Ayun na. Kesa.
Welcome everyone.
Wala tayo kumakain.
Ayun o.
Taking you down into the Jamison Valley. And if you're not down on your list, your valuable items
Kesha,
or anything else that you'd like to keep. This is the world's steepest railway. Here we go.
Kaya nung hawakan.
Hawak ka kayo siya.
Di naman natin ganun kabilis eh. Hindi, tignan mo.
Ganyan lang kami.
Ganyan lang. Harang-harang. Wala lang flashlight. Yay! Wow! Patay ko na to. Pitutin mo!
Hindi ko makapit. Wala na. Wala na.
Ba't ka takot? Lagi ka naman takot eh. Mas takot ka pa kasi sa'yo. Yay! Meron ba?
Alright everyone, so welcome down into the Jamison Valley. When we come to a stop, doors going to open up on your left. You're going to head up the stairs, across and the bridge, making your way towards the any of our box.
Oh,
You are in a national park and here all national park rules to apply. There are also plenty of bins, so please make sure you put your rubbish in the bins. As you can see, we do have an entire train awaiting, so please exit the railway if you're like to travel.
yeah. Cable entry. This way. Yung ano, mga puno-puno ba? Ayun ah.
Three sister ba yan?
Okay.